Hello, welcome back to starting your Power Platform journey. I'm Sai Hassan, Power Platform developer, trainer, and founder of Local Dev, and I'm super excited you are hearing it. We have spent this podcast series learning how to build apps, automate workflows, analyze data, and create websites. And now it's time for the final piece of the Power Platform puzzle, a tool that let us have conversations with your users, a tool that answers questions, guides customers, supports employees, and even triggers automation. Yep, you are right. Today we are talking about Power Virtual Agents, now evolving to Microsoft Copilot Studio. If Power Apps help us build apps, if Power Automate help us automate tasks, if Power Pages helps us create websites, then Copilot Studio helps us create AI-powered chatbots without coding, without any machine learning expertise, and without any complexity. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore how we can bring intelligent conversations into our solutions. Alright, imagine this. Your users keep asking the same questions again and again. How do I check my application status? How do I submit a form? What's the latest update on my request? Where can I track my order? You can reply manually, but that takes so much of your time. And it is not scalable, right? Enter Copilot Studio, previously known as Power Virtual Agents. It's Microsoft low-code conversational AI builder, where you create chatbots that can do many things, such as answer questions, perform actions, guide users step by step, connect to your apps and data, trigger Power Automate flows, and even talk to Dataverse or APIs. And the best part of it? You don't need to know AI, coding, or any natural language processing, what we used to call NLP. The platform gives you a visual interface where you design conversations just like building a flow. Copilot Studio brings together AI-powered natural language understanding, pre-built connectors for Power Automate, generative AI capabilities with Copilot, secure integration with Dataverse, SharePoint, or any external APIs. Think of it like giving your solutions a voice, a friendly assistant that works 24/7. And yes, even beginners can build something meaningful in under an hour. Now, how it feels like to build a bot. Let me walk you through the experience. When you open Copilot Studio, you will start by creating a new bot. The first thing you see is the ability to create topics. A topic is basically a conversation path. As for example, check application status, contact support, view my registration, update profile, get event details. You can train the bot simply by adding a new sample phrases. The AI handles the rest. Then you move to the authoring canvas. And honestly, it feels so smooth. You simply drag nodes like ask a question, call a flow, show a message, collect user information, connect to a database, trigger an action. It is similar to building a Power Automate flow, but in a conversational style. If you want generative answers, you can connect a knowledge source, like your website or PDF, and the bot instantly learns. Want the bot to take action? Just plug in Power Automate and it can do many things, such as create tickets, update records, fetch data, send emails, approve requests. And when you're done, you test it right inside the interface. Fix anything you want, publish with one click, and deploy it to teams, websites, or your Power Pages portal. It's simple, it's powerful, and it feels like magic the first time you watch your bot respond automatically. Now, to make it more understandable, let's take a real-world example. Let's say we are taking as a support assistant bot as an example. Let's bring this to life with a real scenario. Imagine you have built a solution to manage event registrations or customer service requests. Everything works great, except one thing. People keep asking the same questions over and over. Did you receive my submission? What's the current status? Can I update my information? What should I do next? You could respond manually, but that takes time, energy, and endless back and forth messaging. So instead, you build a support assistant bot using Copilot Studio. Now, whenever users need help, they simply open the chatbot, whether on your website, inside Power Pages, or directly in Microsoft Teams, and ask their questions naturally. Now, here's the thing goes behind the scene. The bot do several things, such as checks Dataverse for their record, pulls the latest status, displays next steps, and even allows them to update information through guided conversation. If they want to create a new request, the bot instantly triggers a Power Automate flow, submits the details, and confirms the action, all in a second. No waiting, no confusion, no human bottleneck. Your bot becomes a digital assistant that works 24/7, like responding instantly, reducing manual workload, improving accuracy, and giving users a smooth modern experience. And that's the real power of Copilot Studio. It doesn't just answer your questions, it transforms your process into intelligent, automated conversation that elevate your entire system. And that brings us to the final episode of our series, Power Virtual Agents and Copilot Studio, Build Your AI Chatbot. Today, we learned what Copilot Studio is, how it helps us build conversational bots, why AI assistants are becoming essential, and how they fit perfectly into the Power Platform ecosystem. If you have followed this podcast series from episode 1, thank you so much. It truly means a lot. Together, we explored Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Pages, and now Copilot Studio. 5 powerful tools. One mission, empowering you to build without limits. Before we close, here's something important I need to tell about. You can also check out the Power Platform documentation. It includes tool description, syntax, examples, best practices, and more. And if you're feeling confident, start preparing for the Microsoft Power Platform certification exam. I have added all the helpful links for you in the description box, so don't miss to check it out. If you are not fully confident yet, no need to worry. Microsoft also introduced Applied Skills Certification Test. These are amazing because they focus on hands-on skills like building Power Apps, creating flows in Power Automate, designing agents, and more. You can even add these applied skills certificates to your resume to stand out in interviews. And of course, don't forget to join the Power Platform community. Ask questions, get help, help others. We grow faster when we grow together. This is the era of local, and we are all one big family here, supporting each other's success. All the important links are waiting for you in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. Remember, AI is not the future, it's the present. And with Copilot Studio, you can build it yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in, not just to the episode, but to the entire journey. I'm Said Hassan, and this has been Starting Your Power Platform Journey. Your support, your messages, and your curiosity made this podcast truly special. As we wrap up this final episode, remember, your local journey doesn't end here, it's just getting started. Keep learning, keep building, and keep dreaming big. Until we meet again, stay inspired and stay unstoppable.